You ever go to stand up from a chair and think, whoa, that felt a little harder than it used to? Or maybe you notice your legs feel just a bit heavier on the stairs? For years, we've all been told the answer is simple. Just eat more protein. More cottage cheese, right? But what if that advice is just wrong? Today, we are diving into the brand new science of fighting that age-related muscle loss, and we're going to reveal 5 surprisingly cheap foods that can actually help your body rebuild itself. It really starts with challenging this one sentence right here. It's something so many of us tell ourselves. We accept this quiet, creeping loss of strength as, well, just part of the deal. But the latest research, it says it absolutely does not have to be. This isn't just about getting older. It's about a specific condition, and one you can actually do something about. And that condition has a name: sarcopenia. See, it's not some vague feeling of weakness. It's the measurable, involuntary loss of the very muscle that keeps you stable, strong, and independent. And just knowing it has a name, well, that's the first real step to fighting back. Okay, let's get into this because this is the frustrating part for so many people. They're doing what they were told. They're eating the cottage cheese, they're drinking the milk, but the scans keep showing the same thing. Their muscles are still shrinking. And it feels like you're following all the rules, but you're still losing the game. So, here it is. This is the crucial point. The science has completely shifted. The problem isn't just about how much protein you eat. It's about how much your body can actually absorb. After age 70, our whole digestive system changes. Stomach acid gets weaker, enzymes drop off, and our ability to unlock the good stuff from our food just isn't what it used to be. The very foods we trust can slowly stop working for us. And this is where it gets really exciting. Researchers started to focus on foods that an aging body can actually use. And the results? They were pretty dramatic. And we're not talking about expensive supplements here. These are foods most of us walk right past in the grocery store every day. So let's count them down. All right, coming in at number 5 is a food you probably think you know, but I guarantee it has some powerful secrets for rebuilding muscle. We are talking about plain Greek yogurt with live cultures. Now, this stuff launches a 3-pronged attack on muscle loss. First, it's got casein, which is a slow-release protein. It feeds your muscles for up to 7 hours. Perfect for while you sleep. Second, those probiotics, the live cultures, they actually help your gut absorb more protein from everything else you eat. And third, it's packed with leucine, which is the specific amino acid that basically flips a switch and tells your muscles, okay, it's time to grow. And get this. This is where you see the real power. Researchers at McMaster University found that older adults who ate Greek yogurt every day gained almost 2.5 pounds of pure muscle in 8 weeks without doing any exercise. This just completely turns the old idea that you have to lift heavy weights to see real gains after 70 right on its head. Okay, let's move on to number 4. Now, this one might sound a little fishy, but trust me, the science behind it is absolutely undeniable. Canned sardines. I know, but stay with me. A single can packs 23 grams of protein, but the real key is that it's also loaded with vitamin D, which is essential for muscle growth. And get this, something like 82% of people over 70 are deficient in it. Then you've got the omega-3s fighting off the inflammation that breaks muscle down, and coenzyme Q10, which literally energizes your muscle cells from the inside out. And these results aren't just on paper. This is real-life stuff. A Japanese study found that older adults who ate sardines just 3 times a week saw their walking speed increase by 23% and their grip strength by 31% in only 2 months. That is a tangible, life-changing improvement you can feel every single day. Okay, for number 3, we are looking at a humble pantry staple that researchers at Stanford actually found is more effective than a lot of those expensive supplements. Canned black beans. Seriously. Their magic isn't just in the 15 grams of protein per cup. The real secret is how they make everything else you eat work better. The fiber and resistant starch, they feed the good bacteria in your gut, and those bacteria, in turn, help your body absorb up to 40% more protein from all your other meals. Black beans are the ultimate team player in your diet. And just look at this number, 58%. That's why it's a powerhouse. That's a 58% increase in muscle protein synthesis, the actual process of building new muscle tissue. We're not just talking about preventing loss here. This is actively rebuilding what's been lost, all from a food that costs less than $1 a can. All right, we're at number 2, and for this one, you might need to forget some of that old advice your doctor gave you years ago. We're talking about whole eggs. For decades, the yolk was the bad guy, right? Because of cholesterol. But brand new research has completely flipped that script. When it comes to building muscle after 60, the yolk isn't just okay to eat, it is absolutely essential. This chart from University of Illinois researchers says it all, loud and clear. Eating just the egg whites? Yeah, that gives you a baseline muscle-building response. But eating the whole egg? Whoa. That triggers 40% more muscle protein synthesis. The power isn't just in the protein, it's in that incredible combination of nutrients you can only find in the yolk. And here's why it works so well. Whole eggs have what's called a perfect biological value of 100. That means your body uses every single bit of its protein. Zero waste. The yolk itself is a gold mine of stuff older adults are often low in, like vitamin D and B12. And it has these special compounds called phospholipids that literally help shuttle amino acids directly into your muscle cells. And that brings us to number 1, the food that researchers at Johns Hopkins found to be the single most powerful, readily available tool in the entire fight against sarcopenia. Edamame, those young, green soybeans. Here's why they are so revolutionary. First, they have the highest concentration of that muscle-building switch, leucine, of any plant food, period. Second, they perform a dual action. Isoflavones protect the muscle you already have while also triggering new growth. And they have both fast and slow-releasing proteins, giving you an immediate boost and sustained fuel for hours. And the proof? It's just stunning. This is not a small change. An average gain of 3.7 pounds of lean muscle in just over 2 months for adults over 75. That's not just stopping the decline. That is dramatically reversing it. That is the difference between needing help to get up and standing up with total confidence. So how do you put all this together into something you can actually do? Well, here's a super simple, actionable plan based on the science. Start your day with 2 whole eggs to stop that overnight muscle breakdown. For lunch, just rotate between the sardines and the black beans. Then, the crucial afternoon snack, 1 cup of steamed edamame to fight that 3 p.m. energy dip. And finally, a cup of Greek yogurt right before bed to feed your muscles while you sleep. And there you have it, all on one slide, your muscle-building cheat sheet. It shows you the what, the why, and the when. And look, this isn't about some crazy restrictive diet. It's just about strategically adding these 5 powerhouse foods into your daily routine to give your body exactly what it needs to start getting stronger. So we'll leave you with this one thought. We've seen that the old advice isn't the whole story, and that real, tangible strength is waiting for you in some of the most overlooked foods in the grocery store. The science is clear. So the only question left is, what are you going to have for breakfast tomorrow?